Today for Mousetrap Monday, we're going to take a look at Grandpa Gus's live critter catcher. It says it's child safe, cruelty free, and made in the USA. So let's take these traps out of the packaging and see what they look like. The instructions say this trap will work on ground squirrels, chipmunks, shrews, and mice, basically any small rodent. The design is really simple. It's a clear plastic rectangle, has doors on hinges on either side. They just go open and close like that, so the mouse or rodent goes in there, pushes it open, tries to get the bait, close behind them, they can't get out. Looks big enough like it could catch multiple mice. My biggest concern is it doesn't have ventilation holes, so they'll probably get pretty stressed in there, pretty humid, but I'm curious if it's gonna work. We'll first test this out with the pet mice, see if they'll go in there. For this test, we'll use the brown wild mouse we caught. Viewers named her Flash because she's so fast and crazy. I put sunflower seeds in there, so hopefully she goes in. Well, there we go. Flash went in the one-way door and got caught. This trap works well. Let's go set up the motion cameras and test it out with wild mice. Last night we caught a mouse in our Grandpa Gus live catch critter catcher. I put peanut butter and sunflower seeds in there. The mouse couldn't resist, went through that one-way door and it closed behind him and we got him. It's not too foggy in there. I was worried about ventilation, but it's pretty good. I think enough air passes by these doors. To release him, we'll just lift this up and let him go. He can go either side, right by my finger. Come on, guy. There he goes, the Grandpa Gus live catch critter catcher.